What's up, guys? So just got here to Carpenter San Joaquin River. I'm gonna be fishing today with my coworkers. We're doing a tournament, little coworker tournament, you know. Whoever catches the big fish gets first prize. Whoever catches the most fish gets second prize. It's 6:35. We're gonna start at 7 a.m. I brought my wagon to put all my stuff on there. This and that. I got my stuff ready. Right here. Got the rods. Trying to get this spot because there's a lot of people and they're coming. Trying to get a good spot for us. Check this place out right now. Stay tuned. Jeez. Got the YouTube channel out today.
Jeez.
So, I brought the worms. I seen how the fish right here jump right now.
Right now?
They're right there. They're active right now.
Bring out the top water. There's a little catfish.
Little catfish?
Bro, let me this fish, fool.
Let me see. Baby cat.
Looking for my advice, as you ask me, I always do double
There you
hooks.
go.
I always do
That
one
is
on one
small.
eye. Yeah, see, I can hit
Little
the
small
bottom
one.
feeders and then hit the ones kind of pegando seaway.
2 hooks.
Yeah, yeah.
Should we measure it?
That's your chance. I mean,
See
you guys, unless you guys, I mean, are you gonna?
Hey, you never know. We might be just catching those all day.
That's what I'm saying. If I'm going a little fish fucking fight, let's do it. You got your thing.
I think it's too small though.
Yeah. It's fucking tiny, though.
Over here, it only starts at 8.
Hey, on the side of my bag, I think it's a little. Oh, he got one perfect.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, cause mine only starts at 8.
He's tiny, bro. You go from the bottom of the thing to the. Where does it Chico?
Go lower. 5. Say 5 inches.
I knew, fool, because you feel the bite. It feels like it's soft. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
So I'm like,
I see
bro,
that.
am I getting bitter? The current, you know, something the
I
current.
seen the wrong one
The current
too.
gives you a little like pretend like how it hops and
Yeah.
but I'm like, but it's been there for a while. It's settled. But I'm like, no, mama.
There you go. First fish of the day. Monster.
It's like
6. We'll go 6.5.
6.5.
Let me see. Little striper now.
Little striper. Oh, it's my first striper.
First striper. Yeah.
Baby
there you
striper.
go.
Fuck, it's the
That's
first
one.
striper. Dude, look at that.
2
Fool
fish.
almost got his eye. Look at.
Oh yeah.
Right by his eye, bro. Look at this eye.
Yeah.
Turn around, motherfucker. Look at. Right by
Right by his eye. His nostrils right. You gonna get on the scoreboard, Daniel? Or what?
Well, fuck, I haven't even fucking.
Bro, do my striper.
I need to get on the scoreboard
Well,
too.
I'm trying to, but I don't know how to set it up.
I got a bass striper and a catfish. That's all good. Don't worry about that.
There he is, a little small one.
Another one?
Yeah.
So
It's a catfish. I think it's the same one.
Take your day on
No.
the river.
It's the same fish.
Hey, he is.
On my fucking bed, in my truck.
Oh, yeah. Alright, you catch your fish right here. Right here, right here. Right here, right here. Fish on. Got one. Yeah. Got one. You got one too? Nice. Relax, relax. It's a good one.
Ate that shit, really.
Swallowed it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think that's that.
Before treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and tuberculosis.
You want to hell in there?
Yeah.
Infection or symptoms of infection include fever,
So there's one.
chills, muscle aches, and cough. Tell your doctor if you have
There you go.
vaccine.
Oh, you got the worm. Oh, you got it.
Emerge as you. Pop this ad to learn more about
You look
Tremfya,
nasty with it,
including
look.
important safety information. See our ad
There you
in
go.
Online magazine. For patients prescribed Tremfya, cost support may be available.
Yeah, he's a 14.
This is the biggest of the day right here. What is it?
14 something?
14? 14 and a quarter.
I'll call it
14 and a
14.
We'll give you that one just in case, you know.
I don't know,
You
bro.
might win by just that one little eighth.
I'm just giving you my $20 already.
Good shit.
$20. Bandito bug.
Yeah.
There we go. I can tell that was a good one too. At least a 2-pounder. There he is. There he is. Same one. Same one. I don't know. Maybe not a 13, huh? Oh, measure. That's fish 8. All right. So make sure that's number 8. Yeah, I don't think he's bigger than 13. Oh, he swallowed my freaking bandito bug. Right there? Just toss it out there on a new one. Probably out rip. I'm gonna measure it real quick. Yeah, I think he's smaller though. Oh yeah. Nah, he's like a 10. I already know. Measure him real quick. 11. 11 incher. Oh, I want to give you a proper release. It's muddy though. This is how you properly release a fish. Clean them. Put them right side up. That's how you properly release them.
On the drop shot, baby. On the drop shot.
On the drop shot.
Next to the rocks.
That's a good one right there. 3-pounder.
About? Yeah.
Yeah, about, huh?
About. I'm gonna go weigh right now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cool one.
See if I can get one of those.
Woo! Don't lose pressure. Don't lose
That's a
pressure.
good one too.
That's a good one. Let's go.
Don't lose it. You got him.
Yeah.
You got him. He's yours. Grab it with your hand.
Grab by the-
Grab the rope with your hand. The rope, the cord. There you got it.
I don't know. That might beat it.
That might beat it, bruh. I'm gonna have to give you your phone back.
Jeez.
Let's fucking go. Hell yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh no. Knock down.
Oh no!
Oh, he's in the water.
It counts though. We seen it. That was a good size,
That was a good
bro.
one.
That would have given you a
was a good
run.
one.
Yeah.
That motherfucker was big, bro.
I'll call it. We're tied. We're tied.
Oh yeah,
Oh, bro.
that was a good size.
Damn.
That's how you know you need stronger rope. That's too small for what you're fishing.
It broke.
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
The rod broke?
No, the line. Line, bruh. Damn. That was it. And that was my actual like. That one's tough, bruh.
Hell yeah, you beat me. You got me beat with all-time record.
Oh fuck.
Bro, that was a beautiful fish, bro. That motherfucker, hey, Turkey, that motherfucker was hell.
I seen it. It was pretty big, way.
Hey, you didn't record it? Damn.
I did. I think I got it fall back in the water.
Okay, so whenever.
Adrian caught the biggest fish of the day.
Yup.
How big was it?
17.
17. 17 inch right there.
2.7 pounds.
He won the tournament, the mini tournament. I got second place, of course.
Nigga, you
Yeah,
better be with 2.5
right
half,
there.
half a rod, bro.
Half a rod. No, it's broken.
Half a rod.
As soon as we got here, first cast it broke.
That was tough.
Yeah. And then I go, set the hook. He grabs the top of it like that. That's funny.
It finished breaking.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna enjoy this cup of noodle real quick and then I'm gonna head out. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.